Welcome to my channel. Dear student, today I am going to cover the non-conventional machining process in more detail, and this slide is the slide of Dr. Soumya Gangopadhyay, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Manufacturing classification: primary manufacturing, secondary manufacturing. Primary manufacturing, what happened? It is used for imparting basic shape and size. Liquid stage forming process, casting. Solid stage forming process is the forging, rolling. All metal working process come under solid stage. Powder stage forming process, powder metallurgy. Secondary manufacturing, to impart final shape and size with tight control on dimensional and shape, mostly material removal process. So this is the two classification of manufacturing. Secondary manufacturing classification: conventional manufacturing machining operation, turning, milling, drilling, shaping, broaching, gear cutting, grinding. Non-traditional, non-conventional machining process: abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic machining, water jet and abrasive water jet machining, electrochemical machining, electro discharge machining, laser beam machining. Conventional machining process, what happen? Material removal due to application of cutting forces, energy domain mechanical, microscopic chip formation due to shear deformation, cutting tool is harder. Non-traditional machining process, material removal, chip formation or even no chip formation. AGM microscopic size, ECM AGM full form abrasive jet machining, ECM electrochemical machining, electrochemical dissolution at atomic level. Physical tool may be present and may not be present. Laser beam machining is carried out by laser beam. Water jet machining is done by a high pressure water jet. Electric discharge machining, a physical tool is very much required. ECM similarly require a tool, but tool is not going to contact the workpiece. Non-traditional machining process, tool need not be harder than the workpiece. EDM, copper is used as the tool material to machine hardened steel. Energy domain, not necessarily mechanical. Different energy domain for machining: ultrasonic machining, abrasive jet machining, water jet machining, electrochemical machining, electrochemical dissolution, EDM, electrothermal energy. Classification of non-traditional machining process: mechanical process, abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic machining, USM, water jet machining, abrasive water jet machining. Electrochemical process: electrochemical machining, electrochemical grinding, electro jet drilling. Next, electrothermal process. Here, mechanical process: abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic, water jet, abrasive water jet, electrochemical machining, electrochemical grinding, electrochemical jet drilling. Electrothermal process: electro discharge machining, electron beam machining, laser jet machining. Chemical process: chemical milling, photochemical milling. This is a ultrasonic machining process. Here, this is a tool and this is a abrasive particle which is comes under the slurry. Ultrasonic vibration happen in the tool. Here you can see this follow the sine curve. Frequency 20 to 25 kilohertz. Amplitude of vibration is 10 to 25 micrometer. And in the tool there will be the slot which shape you required on the workpiece. Then these types of feature will be created on the workpiece. Electro discharge machining. This is a idiom. In idiom, what will happen? There is a tool which is a cathode connected to negative, workpiece is connected to positive, electrode is a conductive material, a spark is created between the tool and workpiece, and due to spark material removal take place. This is a electrochemical machining figure. Here material removal take place due to electrochemical reaction. It is a just reverse of electroplating. Here we use electrolyte. In electrodischarge machining we use dielectric such as kerosene oil. Need for non-traditional machining process. Why we need non-traditional machining process? Exotic material, innovative design and requirement, tighter tolerance and micro machining. These are the things why we need non-traditional machining process. If material is advanced material, super alloy, then by using conventional machining we cannot machine that type of material because the two workpiece is very hard. Innovative design and requirement, complex design you cannot make by using the conventional machining. Intricate shaped blind hole. Example, square hole of 15 mm cross 15 mm with a depth of 30 mm. Difficult to machine material. Example, same example as above in inconel, titanium alloy or carbide. Low stress grinding. Electrochemical grinding is preferred as compared to conventional grinding because here less stress will be generated. Deep hole with small hole diameter. Example, 1.5 mm diameter hole with L by D ratio is equal to 20. Here square hole of 15 mm cross 15 mm with a depth of 30 mm. Machining of composite. Abrasive jet machining process. So here what happen in abrasive jet machining? Abrasive particle will impinge on the workpiece surface at the velocity of 150 to 300 meter per second. Stand-off distance 0.5 to around 15 mm. This is a stand-off distance which will be kept between the workpiece and the nozzle. Diameter of abrasive 0.2 to 0.8 mm. So this thing will happen in the abrasive jet machining. This is a AGM equipment, air compressor, valve 1 by 4 turn valve, pressure control valve, dryer, filter, mixing chamber. Here air mixed with the abrasive particle. Abrasive feeder, electromagnetic shaker due to the vibration in the mixing chamber. Abrasive particle and air, compressed air mixed together, and in the next portion abrasive mixed with carrier gases. This is a electromagnetic on off valve and nozzle. From the nozzle high speed abrasive particle mixed with air falls on the workpiece, and this is a table, and from here exhaust gases will be released to the atmosphere. What are the process variable? Abrasive. which abrasive you are using, what are the material of abrasive, shape of abrasive, size of abrasive, mass flow rate of abrasive. तो abrasive material Al2O3 silicon carbide glass beads, shape irregular shape or spherical shape, size varies from 10 to 50 micrometer, mass flow rate 2 to 20 gram per minute. Carrier gas, which carrier gas be used during the process? Composition: air, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Density of air 1.3 kg per meter cube. Velocity of carrier gas 500 to 700 meter per second. Pressure 2 to 10 bar. Flow rate 5 to 30 lpm. Abrasive jet, velocity 100 to 300 meter per second. Mixing ratio, mass flow ratio of abrasive to gas. Stand up distance 0.5 to 5 mm. Impingement angle 60° to 90°. This is all about the abrasive jet. Velocity 100 to 300 meter per second. Mixing ratio, mass flow ratio of abrasive to gas. Stand up distance 0.5 to 5 mm. Impingement angle 60° to 90°. Nozzle, material of nozzle, tungsten carbide or sapphire. Diameter internal 0.2 to 0.8 mm. Life 10 to 300 hours. Modeling of material removal in abrasive jet machining. Brittle material are considered to fail due to the brittle fracture. The fracture volume is considered to be hemispherical with diameter equal to caudal length of the indentation. For ductile material, removal volume is assumed to be equal to the indentation volume due to particulate impact. The kinetic energy of the abrasives are fully utilized in removing material. Abrasives are spherical in shape and rigid. The particles are characterized by the mean grid diameter. This is the modeling of MRR in abrasive jet machining. This is a abrasive particle. The distance is from this portion to this portion is 2r. Okay, then the r will be equal to under root dg into lambda. Lambda is the this value and diameter of grid is dg. From there you can get the r. Modeling of MRR in AGM. This is a effect of process parameter on MRR. Finally, from the derivation, we can get the formula of MRR, MA V की power 3 by 2 divided by rho G की power 1 by 4, H की power 3 by 4. What is capital H? Capital H is the hardness. Effect of process parameter MRR varies with abrasive flow rate. If abrasive flow rate increases, MRR will increase up to certain value. After that, it will start decreasing. What are the MRR relationship with mixing ratio? Mixing ratio if increases, then MRR increases up to a certain value. After that, it will decrease. MRR versus abrasive flow rate. As abrasive flow rate increases, mass MRR will also increases in a linear relationship, constant mixing ratio. MRR with gas pressure. As gas pressure increases, for constant mixing ratio, MRR will increase in a exponential way. Effect of process parameter on MRR. MRR with standoff distance. If standoff distance increases, then MRR will increase in exponential way up to a certain value. After that, it in it will be constant up to some standoff distance, and with more increment of standoff distance it will decreases, as you can see in A, B, C, D. If standoff distance increases, then MRR will increases and it remains constant, and after that it start decreasing. Effect of process parameter on MRR. Nozzle tip distance. This value is 7 degree, 0.5, 0.5 nozzle tip distance. Standoff distance, this is the nozzle tip distance. If nozzle tip distance is 0.75 mm, then if nozzle distance is 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, then these types of feature you can get in during machining. Application of abrasive jet machining. For drilling hole of intricate shape in hard and brittle material, for machining fragile, brittle and heat sensitive material, AGM can be used for drilling, cutting, deburring, cleaning and etching. Micro machining of brittle material. Limitation: MRR is rather low, around 15 mm³ per minute for machining glasses. Abrasive particles tend to get embedded, especially if the work material is ductile. Tapering occurs due to flaring of the jet. Environmental load is rather high. That's all about the abrasive jet machining and introduction of conventional machining. I am going to stop here. If you want to revise, you can revise what are the process variable, abrasive, carrier gas, abrasive jet, nozzle, modeling of material removal in AGM. This is the modeling and derivation of the formula of MRR. This is the kinetic energy half mv square. This is a work done 1 by 2 F into lambda. F is the indentation area multiplied by hardness. So these are the derivation. If you want, you can note down. And after putting all these value, MRR will be MA V की power 3 by 2, rho G की power 1 by 4, H की power 3 by 4. Then after that, effect of process parameter on MRR. MR variation with abrasive flow rate, with mixing ratio, with abrasive flow rate, with constant mixing ratio. MRR with gas pressure, MRR with standoff distance, MRR with nozzle tip distance. These are the some application of abrasive jet machining. Limitation. Okay student, I am going to stop here. In next class I will be cover the topic ultrasonic machining.